Hello, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and I hope you all are doing well. Today, I am going to talk about pre-market situation, post-market situation, and my trading setup for tomorrow. So we'll start with the trading setup. As we all see, this is the today's high of Nifty, which is at the level of 14 somewhere 14,741. This was the today's high of Nifty, and if you see, this was yesterday's high of Nifty. Correct? This was yesterday's high of Nifty, and this was today's support as well. If you see, the market has opened somewhere over here, which is at 14,660, and it went up and then it came down and again it shot up. And this particular Nifty index has respected this support, which is at 14,638. It has respected the support twice, and then it has shot up. And when it has shot up, it has made a new support, which is at the level of 14,682 or 83, you can say. So if we see, we have three lines where I can say this was the today's support of Nifty, this was today's resistance of Nifty, and this was also a kind of support for Nifty. So if you see, yesterday's high was today's support. So there might be a possibility that if market opens cap up, so I have three scenarios for you. Three scenarios. If market opens gap up, then what? Then what you have to do? If suppose the market opens somewhere over here, if it goes here. So if you look here, the market is at what level? This is at 14,768, and this is the Nifty closed at 14,741. So this is almost 20-30 points. So if market opens gap up, there might be a possibility of market opening gap up and going up a bit and then coming down. Just a humble request to all the new traders, don't panic. This is normal market rule, or you let's just not say rule. You can say a behavior, market behavior. When market goes up, there is always a profit booking. So there might be a possibility of people buying call option at this level, which is 14,620, and they are selling at this level. So there will be a profit booking, which is not wrong, correct? So if the market opens somewhere over here and it comes down, don't panic and don't just go for put option. Wait for the market to just to respect this resistance, which was yesterday's resistance, not, and this is today's support. So wait for the market first, respect this support. As we see, the market is consolidating every time. There might be a possibility to consolidate. Market will respect this level every time. If the market breaks this level, then only you can think of getting into put option. But as per me, just stay in call option, because as per me the situation is market might short up like this also. So if in my first scenario, if market opens gap up, it will go up, then the profit booking will happen. Two possibilities: from here the market will consolidate and then it will go up, the market will come down, it will break the level of 14,741, and then again it will go up. So you just have to wait and see the market sentiment, how it is going to be. My second scenario, which is gap down. If market opens somewhere over here, okay. So if market opens somewhere over here, what is going to happen? Market opens at the level of 14,700 and it come down to 14,683, which is almost 100 points. You see, it is not 100 points, but you can say almost somewhere around 40-50 points. If market opens gap down, then just wait for market to react. There might be a possibility, again I'll tell you, the market is consolidating nowadays. There might be a possibility that it will particularly consolidate somewhere over here at the level of 14,683, and then it will shot up. So you just have to wait for market to react. If market keep on falling, if it comes down and break the level of 14,638, then you can enter in put option. You can enter blindly in put option because then the market has broken the massive support. Then you can go for or think of put option. Again, I'm telling you, don't wait for or don't just look for good profit. Whatever your money you are getting, just book it because the market situation is so uncertain that you don't know what is going to happen. This is my second scenario. My third scenario, if the market opens gap up, gap down, if the market opens flat, then what? Every in both the situations I told you that the market will consolidate. Same here, the market will consolidate. You have to wait for market to find one direction and then you have to enter. Don't just panic and enter that market is going uptrend, market is going downtrend, and then you will enter. I will make it simple for you all. I'll write it over here if you all can see. If it breaks, if it breaks 14,638, then go for put option. If it breaks 14,741 and does not go below 14,638, 14,683, I'm so sorry, 14,683, then do not enter put option, stay in call option. And last, wait for market to react. Don't just be in hurry. Every time I see new trader, they just be in hurry. They don't really know what to do. It's just they want to trade, they trade. It's just they want to do something, so they are doing. It's not good. If it breaks 14,638, go for put option. If it breaks 14,741 and does not go below 14,683, then do not go for put option. Stay in call option. And every time I am saying, stay, be calm. Don't let your sentiment make your money get in the loss. Always wait, just be calm. Market, this is market. You are going to get opportunities. So just wait. So as you see here, lastly, I'm just telling you, if it is above 4,690, it is 14,690, stay in call. Avoid put below. Avoid put. I'm again telling you, avoid put till the level of 14,638 and with the stop loss of 14,670, somewhere around 14,670, stay in call. There is no need of you all getting into put option. As these are my three setup for tomorrow's trading session, let's talk about pre-market situations or post-market situation, or you can just say market situations. I have many valid points. I hope you all will resemble with me. I will start with Corona. Yesterday, Corona cases was at the peak, which was 4.2 lakh cases. Isn't that strange? The Corona cases are increasing, but still the market is going in uptrend. Second thing, yesterday foreign institutional investor and domestic institutional investors turned seller in cash market, but still market was uptrend. Why? Despite both the reason, the main reason what I want to ask is why the market is bullish. It should be bearish. I'll tell you why. As per me, US administration waived off IP rights for corona vaccine. Isn't that a great news? It itself is a great news. By this, many other companies can make corona vaccine, which is positive for all of us. So there is a bad news, which is corona cases rising day by day. There is a good news where all other companies are now able to make corona vaccines. Now, if we talk about global market, if you see all the global market are at their high. So why not Nifty? If we talk about Nifty, the reason for market holding or consolidating is just corona in India because corona cases are at the peak. Once corona cases are settled, Nifty will be at the high. It will be all-time high. One second. Why market is not falling? That's a question. Correct. A good answer for this is market does not fall for the same reason twice. I will repeat it for you. Market does not fall two times for the same reason. If we talk about last year, there was no vaccine. We didn't knew what to do. Whole world didn't knew what to do. We all were helpless. That's why market crashed. But this time we all know what to do. We all have vaccine. We are helping each other. There are many good or you can say positive points that other countries are also helping India. So there are positive and there are negatives. Let's talk about today. Asian market opened higher. The market was not volatile today. As you see the earlier weeks the market was so volatile, but today it wasn't. And the best, the talk of the day, FII and DII, they both turned different. FII turned buyers today. They bought almost of 1202 crores and DII turned sellers today. They sold almost of 632 crores. Despite all the steel companies are and the metal companies are the winners. They all are shining. They all are shining like a star. Just because of domestic news, market is not touching the high. But as per me, in longer terms, it will. If you ask me, if you take advice from me, market is not bearish, it is bullish. So just stay positive. Don't panic. Never panic when you are trading. Panic will cause you loss. Being calm will help you to grow. So with this, I end this video. Please hit the like button and I hope you like the video. And yes, I am trying to be better because yesterday's video I was hesitating. But please subscribe to my channel as I need your support and follow my Instagram handle which is daytrader. And just one last thing for all the newcomer. Keep working for your betterment. Always keep working for your betterment. You will never be failing in life. If you work for your betterment, you will never fail in life. With this, just take care. Take care all of you and have a lovely trading session. I hope you all will have a great day and I know you all will. Take care.